Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you Virtual Recruitment Fair October 2021. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.jisedu.or.id. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of JIS Jakarta Intercultural School. In this main page, it's showing virtual recruitment fair for teacher, administrator and teaching assistants. So you are invited for virtual open house. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option work at JIS. If we click this link, we can get what are the teaching job vacancies, when they are going to conduct virtual recruitment. Everything you can get it in the page itself. So here, join us on October 30 for our virtual recruitment fair. We are hiring several positions from administrator and teachers to teaching assistant. We are also looking at substitute teacher to our team. So if you are in Jakarta and meet the requirement, please send in your application today. So what are the vacancies for JIS? So JIS offers many employment opportunities. If you are interested the part of the team, you can register your details. So what are the job openings? Teaching and learning director, counselor, EAL, early years, library specialist, lower classroom, upper classroom, associate principal, counselor, English, mathematics, science, social studies, Christian religion part-time teacher, Hindu religion part-time teacher, Islamic religion part-time teacher, Catholic religion part-time teacher, chemistry, economics and business management, English, Japanese language, learning support, mathematics, PE and health, environmental system, science, history and social studies, substitute teacher for all grade level. So these are the vacancies for Jakarta Intercultural School. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can check. For example, if you are interested for mathematics teacher, you can click this link mathematics. So job opening for middle school mathematics teacher tentative. Job opening 28th September to 10 December 2021. So what is the purpose of this job? So job openings, this one, qualification, experience and attributes. So they are given here, duties and responsibilities they are mentioning here itself. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, etc. So one by one you can check. This is middle school science teacher, middle school social studies teacher, the qualification, experience and duties and responsibilities. Please check all the details. If you are meet this requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. So these are the vacancies. Support staff vacancies also available. Admission specialist. If you are interested, you can register today itself. How to apply for this recruitment fair? So here they are given, join the virtual recruitment fair now. If you click this link, it will be redirected to the another page. Join a leading international school on the beautiful of Indonesia. So register for the virtual recruitment fair, one day virtual recruitment fair, October 30, 2021. Agenda they are given here left corner. School presentation 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. Interviews will be initially scheduled. Additional school presentation may be made depending on demand, availability and location. So what are the requirement for work visa? 5 years work experience, a degree in your position of interest, teaching certificate under the age of 57. JIS will not be able to hire anyone that does not meet the above work visa requirement. So all the details available in this page itself. If you are interested for recruitment fair, the application form available in the right corner. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are 3 sections in this application form. You will require to upload up-to-date CV, maximum of 3 pages, and letter of interest and your references. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. First one is red color asterisks. That mean here red color, there whatever the star mentioned, the red color asterisks are mandatory. Your first name, last name, email address, phone number, where are you currently located, which country are you located, then marital status, position of interest, what type of role are you applying for, whether it is teacher, assistant teacher, substitute teacher or administrator. Please list the position that you may be interested in. No more than 3 and indicate the grade or division level that you are interested in working with if applicable. So if you are interested A level biology teacher mean you can mention here. Finally you can upload your CV, maximum of 3 page. File should be in PDF format. Letter of interest also PDF format. Then list of references PDF format. Once you have uploaded, you can give the declaration. Once you have declaration, you can submit your job application. Once you have submitted your job application, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. This is acknowledgement email for Jakarta Intercultural School Virtual Recruitment Fair. During the coming weeks, we will be screening all application and resume. We will carefully consider your application during the initial screening process and we will contact you with the next step of our fair and the process. We appreciate your interest in Jakarta Intercultural School. So in this acknowledgement itself, our application like that you can register your recruitment fair. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.